What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1976 Formula Firebird. This one here is believed to be 400 under the hood with power steering. Pretty decent looking car. Disc brakes in the front and drum in the rear. What I do in these videos, walk around these cars, point out any kind of flaws I can find. That way you know exactly what you're buying before you make your trip down here. We sell all over the country, and MapleMotors.com offers financing and shipping information, so definitely go there. I went ahead and opened the trunk. Got the hood popped, so I'm not flipping the camera around. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I try to post videos every day. We're gonna get started here up in the front, looking for any kind of flaws. Tires on this thing are in great shape. I'm liking the wheels. They look pretty good. Have a little lip on them. This piece up here is a crack. Try to show you. You get real close right here, you got some light cracks as well. That front end looks nice and clean. Not perfect though, look right here. Is that little crack? That's what I'm here for. I'm trying to point out all this stuff to you. There's a couple more right there. Pretty good down this side though. Even the fender wells are nice and shiny. We're gonna go ahead and take the lower portion out. We're gonna run down the whole thing, looking for any kind of bubbles, chips, scratches, anything that I see. And it's solid. The door's in good shape as well. Trim around the window looks great. It's a beautiful car. This back portion's been painted up nicely. Some nice stripes running around. Got a good look. Let's go ahead and open the trunk. The light works. Trunk's in pretty good shape. Looking at the package tray, nice and solid. Jam looks good, and so does the weather stripping. Same thing, we're going to run down this side, look for any kind of bubbles first. Looks pretty good. Loving the color on this car. It's very clean. All right, made it all the way around. Let's go ahead and check the interior out. Coming up on the door panel, it's in pretty good shape. Weather stripping looks good around it. Checking the bottom. Inside of it, nice and clean. Interior, seats in good shape. Dash looks great. Go ahead and place your bets. You think the steering, or you think the horn works on the steering wheel? It's a game we like to play on the channel here. Headliner's not too bad. Package tray, not too bad either. Go ahead and start her up. The tag's coming up. Even the clock works on this one. We'll go ahead and try the windshield wipers. They do work. Oil pressure's coming up as well, right in the center of the dash. So's the water temperature. Gas gauge is up. No AC on this one, but it is blowing in here. So you should get some heat this winter. Radio's cutting on. And it's working. Good deal. Go ahead and try this horn. It does work. A good sound. Go ahead and shutting the hood down here. You gotta wiggle it back and forth. A little stiff. It shuts down nicely. Right up here in the front, there's a little chip. All right, getting ready to give you some undercarriage shots. You can also check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures. Guys, I do appreciate you watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. We're getting ready to do a test drive on this, so be looking for the test drive video. You can wait till the last 30 seconds of this one and easily access it. Or just type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. MapleMotors.com offers financing and shipping information, close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you're looking for that test drive, let's get it.